Hey guys, what's going on, and welcome back to the channel, and long time no see. It has been just a minute since I was able to do an upload. Just been super stupid busy, but I guess, you know what, today's the 27th. Aren't I supposed to be at the Volkswagen event? No, because he had to cancel it. Thursday we had one hell of a rainstorm here. Localized, it was right around 4 inches. The local news said right around 2 inches, but they had a river running through their new shop, and he had to cancel the event to be rescheduled at a later date. If you guys are planning on coming out, I do apologize, but it was all over Facebook as far as the cancellations. I believe he put cancellations on Instagram also. So if you guys are planning on coming out, I do apologize. Like I said, the new date is to be determined. When that is available, I will let you know. Super bummed that wasn't able to make it out there. I was looking forward to, getting into the Volkswagen community and meeting a bunch of different guys and just seeing all the different cars. I was really looking forward to it. And also taking the caddy out there. Been dealing with some issues with the caddy all week long. Really nothing that I felt was I needed to turn the camera on for. I worked Monday and a half a day Tuesday, and I have been off since then, just trying to catch up on some mowing. Like I said, we had that really major rainstorm there Thursday. Later on in the day, it started raining around 2 o'clock, and it has done nothing but rain since then, off and on. It is raining out again. Like I said, we had localized, it was like 4 inches, news said 2, but we've been getting like a 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch every day since Thursday. I was able to make a complete round on my mowing, so I'm thankful for that. But other than that, I just haven't had much that justified turning the camera on. I mean, I've got some mowers that I've had in here and servicing. I've got that one, and I've got that one I need to do some work to. That one actually has a split muffler on it. I think I'm going to try and weld up and get it taken care of. But if you guys have recyclers, I have not even got through half of it yet, and that's what that deck looks like underneath there. And they're mowing with it, and they wonder why, sometimes they wonder why it just wouldn't seem like it was cutting. That's the reason why. That, and you need to make sure and clean them decks off too, because these pulleys can't turn properly with all that crap up inside there. So just a little tip for you. Anyway, and like on my mowers, I actually have cooling fans on mine to help aid in the cooling of the bearings and stuff. When that stuff's on there, it's not going to let it cool off. So other than that, like I said, I've been dealing with some relay issues and stuff like that. This is the stupid looking fuse box that's in these. Like I said, this is the only year I believe they put these in the Volkswagens. These are the fuses that go in there. I think I've showed you those before. So one of the things that you need to do as far as the test is pull the glow plug relay out and start doing a bunch of different tests on all these spades. And then one of the things that tells you if you don't have power from one to another, that fuse number 8 down here is possibly blown, which is this one right here. But I cleaned this top contact and this bottom contact. These just kind of basically, this is a spring-loaded top, and it sits in this little cradle on the bottom, and you can see there's little holes in the top there. And I sanded both those and cleaned them. Now I do have power coming in. For some reason, I did not have power, so I'm looking to update this. And one of the things that them guys out there told me was that they update these with like a Mark III harness. So, what I want to do is I want to go bumper to bumper. So, I'm looking possibly, he also out there suggested a painless universal kit. I thought about that, but I talked to them and they said that they didn't think it would work. So, I don't know if I need to marry together a painless Universal kit and a Mark III kit because I want to go bumper to bumper. I want to take care of everything as far as, like I said, bumper to bumper. Headlights, taillights, turn signals, everything. I just want to get it taken care of and go from there. So anyway, that's just kind of what I've been dealing with. This is, like I said, this is a nice little book. It tells you everything that you need to know. It's a Bentley book from Robert Bentley, and this is for the Rabbit and the Jetta diesel. We just went through there, and you start here and you do the tests on the relay and stuff like that. So anyway, that's just some of the things I've been dealing with. And I got one other thing I want to do tonight, and that's open up this box. You know, I told you guys the other day that AirDog had subscribed to the channel, and lo and behold, I received a box in the mail, and it was from AirDog. So I want to get this opened up and see what's inside here. Hopefully there's some new stuff for the shop inside here. Like we got a new banner, very cool. Holy moly, let's find a place to put the AirDog banner. Don't know, but we're gonna find some place to put it. Got a hat. And a couple of t-shirts. Very cool. Thank you guys very, very much. That's what I call customer service. So that's why the next time we put a lift pump on the truck, it's going to be an AirDog. You can see right here, they are available on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Check them out. I'll put a link down in the description below to AirDog. It's actually Pureflow AirDog is what their website is. There will be a link in the description for AirDog. Check them out. They make one hell of a lift pump, and like I said, that is going to be the next lift pump on my Cummins, and I'm not ruling it out putting one on the caddy, but I'm just got to figure some things out as far as pressure and kind of go from there. But actually, I think we'll take and put this hat on right now. What do you think? I usually don't wear hats. I always give them to my son, but be honest, beat me up, tell me what you think. I don't care. I just wanted to give you guys an update, let you know where I've been. I have been here. I just have been stupid busy and trying to figure out what was wrong with the electrical system on the truck, on the caddy. I think I have it figured out, but I still don't know why I'm losing power to number 8 every once in a while. Gotta kind of dive into it a little bit deeper maybe, or just try and update it all together. If you don't mind, hit that like button, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not already done so. Make sure and hit that bell notification because that way you're notified every time I do an upload. And you never know when that might be. I'll try and get a little bit more consistent in the future and get some more videos back up here. I am caught up now with some mowing. Now I just got to turn my attention to the caddy and get it done. There's some other things I want to do. I've got some stuff on the interior that I want to take care of, and then I have some stuff coming for my truck, and I think we're going to go ahead. We're not going to strip it, but we're going to sand it with some 1000 grit, use what's on there for a base because it's darker. We're going to put another coat of paint on it and then re-clear it and see what happens. Like I told you before, I don't know what color primer he uses. Yes, it does make a difference. Your base color is going to make your top coat color a little bit darker. That coming from him, and also just some things I've done in the past. Anytime you, just like in your house, anything you do, try and match your base coat color. I'm sorry, try and match your primer to your base color. It will always make a difference in the appearance of your top coat color. Whether it be your base, you got it. You got it. Anyway, like I said, hit that like button, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and we'll talk to you guys later on. Bye-bye.